Yes.
Church of Uganda has called upon Ugandans to embrace peace and harmony as the nation enters the critical stage of the election season. During a press briefing this afternoon at Lweza Training Conference Center, Archbishop Stephen Kaziimba Mugalu urged political leaders, security agencies and voters to uphold justice, integrity and national unity before, during and after the 2026 elections.
To all people of God, beloved Ugandans, we urge you, do not be used for violence. No life is worth losing for partisan politics. Respect those who think differently. After elections, we remain neighbors, workmates, brothers and sisters.
Archbishop cautioned that elections should not be a source of fear or conflict, but an opportunity to strengthen Uganda's democracy through mutual respect and peaceful participation. He reminded the security organs to protect citizens rather than silence them and called on the Electoral Commission to remain transparent and impartial.
The respect for human dignity. Security organs must be guardians of peace, not sources of fear. Also, to the Electoral Commission, we call upon you to exercise impartiality, integrity, and transparency. Announce the right results and ensure that the will of the people is respected.
Archbishop Kaziimba also appealed to all political candidates to campaign with honesty, avoiding inciting violence, and accept election results with humility for the sake of national stability.
Dear political candidates, campaign with honesty, dignity, and fairness. Prevail upon your supporters not to provoke authorities or engage in any form of violence. Do not set Ugandans against one another for your objectives. We strongly condemn all election malpractices.
He further expressed concern over the ongoing industrial action by teachers, warning that the continued strike by teachers in public schools poses a serious threat to children's education and nation's future. He urged government and teachers to find a quick and fair solution to the standoff.
The Church of Uganda is deeply concerned that teachers and the government have not yet reached an agreement for the resumption of work. As a result, our children are missing valuable learning opportunities, left idle, and exposed to risks such as teenage pregnancies, alcoholism, and other destructive behaviors. Meanwhile, children in private schools continue to study and will compete together with those in public schools at the national examinations, creating an unfair disadvantage.
The Archbishop concluded by reminding Ugandans that after the elections, they will remain one family, neighbors, colleagues and brothers and sisters in Christ. He called on all citizens to pray without ceasing and to let peace guide their words and actions as Uganda prepares for the 2026 polls.
Yes.